Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalat wassalam ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way 3-minute series lesson 57A, in which we will take a review of the Tajweed overall. So what is Tajweed? To recite the Quran nicely. How? By taking care of Makhraj and Sifat of letters along with other rules of recitation. What is Makhraj? Makhraj is the exit or the place from where the sound of the letter comes out, or articulation point. Plural of Makhraj is Makharij. We use 5 areas of the mouth. They are basically major Makharij groups: lips, tongue, throat, cavity, nose. Lips, tongue, throat, cavity, nose. Okay, and these are the letters. Sifat. Sifat means attributes. They add beauty and distinction to the recitation and help us avoid errors. Most important sifat are thick and thin, softness or thickness or thinness and softness, ay, hams like ak, at, and extra sound, qalqala, like in aq, and others. So you have thickness or thinness, softness, hams, and extra sound. These are the most important sifat. As far as thick and thin are concerned, we have, temporary thickness, okay, like in the word Allah and Ra, and then we have thick and high and very thick and high. And our letter poem with Fatha covers major groups along with important sifat indicators. Okay, and if you listen to this poem 10 times, no problem, then you will just memorize all of these. So here it goes. Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. Tongue has many, 12 from the tip. Tha, the, dha, ta, da, tha, za, sa, sa, la, na, ra. From its middle are ja, sha, ya. From its edges are dha, ka, qa. 6 from the throat: a, ha, a, ha, gha, kha. From the cavity: alif. And from the nose: ghunna. Now the last part is rules, and the important rules can be remembered if you just learn this once or repeat this sentence or memorize this sentence thoroughly. Let me recite my Al-Quran nicely. Let me recite my Al-Quran nicely. But full stop. So let is for the letter lam in word Allah. So rules of lam in word of Allah, lam al-jalala. Mi is for the rules of mim. Recite is for the rules of ra. My is for the rules of mad, and we have mad and mim, my and me. Al-Quran, well, remember al, that is for Ash-Shamsiyya and Al-Qamariyya, and we have nicely representing the rules of Noon, right? The rules of Noon Sakina and others. And full stop is for the rules of stopping and starting. Let me recite my Al-Quran nicely. So the whole Tajweed can be summarized like this: using correct Makharij and Sifat, let me recite my Al-Quran nicely. To take care of these rules, we have developed a special font which takes care of spacing and markers and spacing between letters and the Tajweed rules and so on. You can get this Musaf from our academy. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.